In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a campaign in Brevo, a process that might sound daunting, but can be accomplished in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or need to remove a campaign that's no longer relevant, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Brevo's website. You'll see the familiar login page, and if you haven't already, log in using your credentials. This is important because you'll need access to your dashboard, which is exclusive to your account. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Campaigns. Typically, this is easy to find as it's a major feature of Brevo. This area is where all your campaigns, whether draft, sent, or archived, are stored. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll be directed to a list or grid of all your campaigns. Now, browse through and locate the specific campaign you wish to delete. Perhaps it's an outdated draft or a campaign that didn't quite hit the mark. Once you've identified the campaign in question, check its status. If it's marked as a draft, you're in luck. Draft campaigns usually have a delete option. You might find this under a drop-down menu labeled More or something similar. Go ahead and click Delete to initiate the process. Now, what if the campaign you wish to delete has been sent, suspended, or archived? Unfortunately, Brevo doesn't allow you to delete these campaigns outright. But don't worry. In such cases, you can still tidy up your account by archiving them. This won't remove them entirely, but will help in organizing and decluttering your ongoing work environment. If you've decided to delete a draft campaign, another step is likely: a confirmation pop-up. Brevo will usually ask you to confirm your choice to delete the campaign, offering you a chance to change your mind in case of an accidental click. Carefully read the confirmation message, and when ready, confirm your decision to proceed with deletion. And there you have it. A simple, straightforward process to delete a campaign in Brevo. Alongside managing the campaigns that can't be deleted, these steps ensure you maintain a clean and organized account. By following along, you should now feel confident managing your campaigns in Brevo, saving time and reducing clutter in your workspace. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other instructional videos for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and happy campaigning.